Hello, myself Ramakrishna. This is the next level. So here one person told that, yeah, basically the zoology department basically decides the future. Basically, they basically decides the next generation. Is one person told that, yes, yeah, basically they are basically deciding the next generation. Basically, whose person basically next generation is going to be, whose next generation can be. So this all is basically decided by the zoology department. Basically. So one person told that, yes, here. So doctors basically yet basically they are not came basically. But one person told that without doctors basically you can't do anything basically. Because ultimately that oil basically is you going to use by the human only. So here one person told that yes basically. That means the doctors are also basically connected with the zoology department. Then back doctors basically are the highest degree holder basically. If you don't get 95, 96, then you don't get the admission basically in MBBS and MD basically. So one person told that yes, yeah, basically we actually know this basically. The doctor's degrees value basically. That we know basically. How the doctor's degrees values are basically. So here one person told that the doctor's degrees basically are very valuable basically. The normal person basically can't get this degree basically. That is the normal person like we basically. I am basically a BCom holder. So I basically can never get the doctor's degree basically. Why? Because I am not capable basically. My brain basically is not capable up to that level to get the 95 degree basically. Otherwise all will not become doctor basically. So Reliance Group say that basically we basically produce doctors basically. So if they are telling this, that means basically they are confident. Why? Because they are creating the human souls basically in the dog. So next video.